Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline in Atlanta, coming to you with a Model S that we just finished refreshing with a color change. Check this out. This Model S is actually a red car, but the customer wanted us to apply TMaxx metallic Nero Rosso. And if you're familiar with Italian paint names, Nero and Rosso are black and red, and that's exactly what this PPF does. It's a color change PPF, so you get all the benefits of paint protection film, PPF, but you get the color change aspect of it as well, and it transforms this Model S to a super cool color shifting Nero Rosso. So it's black in low light, but as the sunlight hits it, you get a dark cherry metallic burgundy red in here. Really cool. It's going to catch the eye, and when a customer is driving this, it's going to blow them away. When people see it, they're like, wow, what color is that car? It's metallic Nero Rosso, and depending on the angle and the color and the light, it could be red, it could be black, metallic hints in there, a really cool color. On top of that, it's just a super cool car. This is a 2022 Model S Plaid. It's sporting 20-inch TSS T-Sportline wheels. I think this customer is gonna love it. Drop a comment below, let us know what you think of this color. And of course, if you liked the video, thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot more Tesla content coming your way soon.